Civil Service Exam Reviewer. General Information. Philippine Constitution.
Which local government unit is considered the basic political unit? A. Province. B. City. C. Municipality. D. Barangay. The correct answer is letter D, barangay. The power of the state to enact laws to promote public welfare is called A. Eminent domain. B. Police power. C. Taxation. D. Sovereignty. The correct answer is letter B, police power. Which of the following is not a duty of citizens under the Constitution? A. To pay taxes. B. To defend the state. C. To obey laws. D. To hold public office. The correct answer is letter D, to hold public office. Who has the authority to proclaim martial law? A. Congress. B. Supreme Court. C. President. D. Armed Forces. The correct answer is letter C, President. What principle states that the government exists to serve the people? A. Rule of law. B. Popular sovereignty. C. Separation of powers. D. Checks and balances. The correct answer is letter B, popular sovereignty.
Did you get them all right?